Hey, Cameron McKenzie here at Cameron MCNZ, and if you saw my how Sass variables work, well, here's how Sass Mixins work. So here's how mixins work. As you can see, I got a little HTML right there, and when I do a refresh on this page, that's what it looks like, and those overlays don't look very good. So you can see there's a custom overlay right there, and I'm going to throw a custom overlay into this style sheet right there and just show you that boom, you can see some real crazy overlay action happens right here. But, I've got just 1, 2, 3 overlays right here. And, the overlays are often all share common attributes. So that one overlay, bottom, top, left, right, position, opacity. If you got 100 different overlays, do you really want to repeat that 100 times? No, you don't. You are far too busy for that type of silliness. So what you do is you create a mixin. And a mixin, I guess it's almost like a struct in object-oriented programming. It's like an object. It's got a bunch of properties in it right here. And this one overlay object kind of stores all of these pieces of data. And then I've got a green overlay and I've got an orange overlay. Well, all I have to do is say, hey, in my little Sass here, I can say, I got an orange overlay and I want to include all of the properties from the mixin. And you notice all of them come in: opacity, position, top, right, bottom. But the orange overlay is orange. That's not shared with the red one. And this overlay, it's going to be 22 to the left. And then maybe I've got, I don't know, looks like I got a green overlay. And maybe the green overlay has all those overlay properties in it, but it's offset by 333. And when you look at that, the green one is also green. And so what I say is I say include all of those properties from the overlay, and they come in, boom, right there. And then, I could have just a custom overlay where I don't import anything, right? Just define top, bottom, left, right, position. I can do that. Nothing's stopping me from doing that. No one says I can't do that. I don't have to import the overlay. I mean, it'd be smart if I did, but I don't have to. But it certainly saves some time. So this is your Sass code. You don't shove that into your browser. You'd have problems if you did that. What you do is you compile it, and when you compile it, this gets spit out. You then copy that code. You paste that code into your style sheet. You save the HTML, you paste it into your style sheet, into your HTML, you save your file, you click refresh, and boom. Orange, green, custom overlays, all achieved by using a mixin. And there you go, that's how Sass Mixins work. Now if you enjoyed that tutorial, head over to theserverside.com. We got lots of great tutorials on Java, JavaScript, HTML, DevOps, you name it. If you're interested in my personal antics, you can follow me on Twitter at CameronMCNZ and subscribe on YouTube.